Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure the app is current and you're signed in. This prevents credential prompts mid-meeting. Once done, grant mic and camera permissions so audio and video work immediately. Make sure notifications are enabled so meeting reminders arrive. Now find the meeting in the Calendar tab or open the link from email or chat. Tap Join, adjust your audio and video preview, and you're in. Don't forget to choose speaker or headset for best sound. Once in the meeting, you'll use on-screen controls to manage presence, mute when not speaking, and turn video off to save bandwidth. If you're presenting, tap Share and pick Screen, Window, or PowerPoint. Choose what to broadcast and stop sharing when finished. Make sure to open participants to assign co-hosts or admit people from lobby, and use raise hand and chat to keep order. If audio issues appear, switch between speaker and headset, or toggle use internet audio for clarity. To finish, stop any sharing and tap Leave if you're a participant, or End Meeting for everyone if you host. If you recorded, Team saves to cloud. Check chat or files for the processed recording and transcript. Once done, clear background apps to preserve battery. If things go wrong, try toggling mic/camera permissions in phone settings, force close and reopen Teams, or rejoin from the original link. If network is weak, switch to cellular.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.